Movie making has always been a risky enterprise. To offset these risks, major studios spend millions of dollars in marketing to grow brand awareness and establish a connection with the audience. But what if you could develop the same consumer demand in a much more organic and profitable manner, while eliminating the sky-high marketing expenses? This is the central idea behind Wonder Transmedia's ingenious audience development strategy. With the former studio executive who launched the Simpsons and Spider-Man franchises at the helm, backed by a highly diversified, supportive, and experienced board, Wonder builds its own highly profitable family entertainment brands in a highly unique way. Two such brands, animated properties with universal appeal, have already been developed in the first phase of this long-term strategy. Here's how it works. Wonder has an ongoing partnership in place with GiveTogether.com, a school funding platform, and Fat Red Couch, interactive media publishers and developers of fun and entertaining mobile apps. By infusing its characters within the funding platform and developing fun, interactive mobile apps featuring these characters, initially distributed on a freemium model, Wonder creates brand awareness among kids and parents while also generating a constant stream of revenue for ongoing media production. And finally, after a strong brand identification is firmly established, Wonder will leverage it to secure a production partner to make its first movie. For a more in-depth presentation, please inquire at info@wondertransmedia.com.